Well, it has been 3 months since a crash in Rochester involving a state trooper that killed an 18-year-old named Olivia Flores. On Thursday, that trooper is set to make his first appearance in court, charged with manslaughter and accused of driving recklessly. Ahead of that court appearance, Flores' parents gave their first interview since the crash, speaking today with KARE 11's Lou Raguse.
Olivia Flores was a shy child.
Like painfully shy?
So uncomfortable as the center of attention that she once burst into tears when her family sang happy birthday.
Because people were focused on her. It was her day. I mean, she absolutely hated it.
But Olivia blossomed into a loyal, true friend.
She didn't care if you were wearing Lululemon. She didn't care if you had a pass. She didn't care if you were a kid who struggled with mental health, because she did too. And so, lived, owned her flaws, and she made sure that those people out there that were broken had a light.
A star cheerleader at Owatonna High School, passionate about music, who looked forward after graduation to seeing and experiencing the world.
She had this awesome nomadic spirit that I absolutely loved about her, and I love about her.
Carlos and Stephanie Flores knew their daughter would spread her wings, but they never could have thought they'd lose her until a phone call from her best friend in May.
She's like, we're in an accident. I'm here with her. They're trying to get her out of the car.
She's unconscious.
She's unconscious.
After getting to the hospital, Carlos and Steph learned that Olivia would not be waking up.
I got to put my hand on her chest and feel her heart stop beating. And
watched after they pronounced her dead. She had one lone tear.
She did? Yeah. And so
pronounced her dead, and she had one lone tear run down her right eye. Like her way of saying, I'm sorry.
Good.
But I'm okay.
Weeks later, the pain was compounded.
When Olivia's parents learned the circumstances surrounding the crash, it added another layer to their grief.
But once we found that out, it killed her all over again.
According to a criminal complaint, Minnesota State Trooper Shane Roper was driving 83 miles an hour, full throttle, with his lights and siren off, when he sped through this busy Rochester intersection by the mall and slammed into Olivia. Records show he'd been suspended twice and reprimanded twice more for similar behavior. The Flores family wants an investigation and an explanation.
We shouldn't have to be here talking about this, but we are. So someone somewhere needs to say, I screwed up. And this is what we're going to do going forward to fix it.
Lou Raguse, KARE 11 News.
Well, the Flores family has called for an investigation into why Trooper Shane Roper was still on the road, even with a law enforcement student riding along at the time of the crash. His first appearance on a manslaughter charge is Thursday at 8:30 in Olmsted County.